Students, we are doing our chapter trigonometry, and in this chapter exercise 8.1 is going on. Now question number 6. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B. Now this condition is given to us that cos A equal to cos B. If cos A equal to cos B, then prove that angle A is equal to angle B. This condition we want to prove. For this, to proving this condition, first we will take two right angles. Let us suppose these are two right angles and this angle is A and this angle is B. Now which condition is given to us? We want to prove that angle A is equal to angle B and this angle is of 90 degree. Let us suppose first triangle is ADC and second triangle is BPQ, where D and P are right angles. Now in this case, which condition is given to us? Cos A. If we are taking this angle A, then the side adjacent to angle will be base and the side opposite to the angle will be the perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. Same in this case, this is the angle B. So the side adjacent to this angle is base and the side opposite to this angle is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. Now cos A, we know that with the help of this PBP, HHP, what is the ratio for cos? Cos is base divided by hypotenuse. Now cos A, for this triangle, cos A, base divided by hypotenuse. Now base is AD and hypotenuse is AC. So AD divided by AC. This is the value of cos A. Now next condition is cos B. Cos B. So from this second triangle, cos B value will be base divided by hypotenuse. Base is BP and divided by hypotenuse is BQ. But cos A is equal to cos B. These two values are equal. That is cos A equal to cos B. So we can say that AD divided by AC is equal to BP divided by BQ. If these two ratios are equal, let us suppose this value is equal to K. K is any constant value. Now we can say that this is arbitrary constant. Now if AD upon AC, AD divided by AC is equal to K, when we apply cross multiplication, then AD is equal to K times of AC. We obtain value of AD in terms of AC. Now from the second ratio, BP divided by BQ is equal to K, and again when we apply cross multiplication, then BP is equal to K times of BQ. This is our second condition. Okay. Now next, which condition we want to prove that angle A is equal to angle B? For this, first find out this which value is unknown to us. In this case, cos A and cos B, these two values, base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. Because we are using in this case base and base divided by hypotenuse. Base divided by hypotenuse. So find out the value of perpendicular. Perpendicular with the help of base and hypotenuse. With the help of Pythagoras theorem, we know that perpendicular is equal to under root of hypotenuse square minus base square. And we know that this perpendicular value it means DC. So DC will be equal to h square minus b square. What is the value of h square here? AC square minus base is AD square. Next one, perpendicular in this case is perpendicular, that is PQ, and PQ is equal to under root of hypotenuse square is PQ square minus base square is BP square. Now this value is again PQ is equal to under root of this one. In this case, just we are calculating the ratios, and why we are taking this condition only, because again listen, we obtain these two ratios and in this case we prove this question with the help of similar triangle. if two triangles are similar in 6th chapter triangles, if two triangles are similar, suppose A, B, C and P, Q, R, these two triangles are similar, then what is the result? That the ratio of their corresponding sides is equal. Ratio AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR is equal to AC divided by PR. This is the result. If two triangles are similar, then ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. And if ratio of their corresponding sides are equal, then we can say that corresponding angles are also equal, and that's why we are calculating this value, because when we prove that ratio of their corresponding sides are equal, then we can say that their angles are equal. Okay, now from these two ratio, which value we want to find out? AD divided by BP, AD divided by BP. When we take this value to this side and AC to this side, means after applying cross multiplication, when we apply cross multiplication, what condition we obtain? AD into BQ is equal to BP into AC. Okay, so which ratio we want to find out? Corresponding sides. DC divided by PQ, AD divided by PB. AD is this one, divided by which side? Corresponding side is this one. So BP is BP is equal to AC divided by BQ. We obtain ratio of two sides. Third side is left, so that's why we are taking this perpendicular. And third side is, here is PQ and here is DC. So PQ and DC is this one, and DC, find out the ratio. DC divided by PQ is equal to, what is the value of DC? AC square minus AD square divided by PQ is PQ square minus BP square. Now from this condition, what is the value of AD? AD is K times of AC. Substitute this value here. Under root of AC square minus K square AC square divided by under root of BQ square minus, from this condition, K square BQ square. And when we take common, AC square is common from these two values. So when we take this value outside this square root, so this AC into under root 1 minus K square, and this term is BQ into under root 1 minus K square. These two terms cancelled out, so we obtain AC upon BQ. From the given condition, we obtain these two ratios, and third ratio also we obtain AC upon BQ. Which value is equal to this one? DC divided by PQ is equal to AC upon BQ. From this first equation and second equation is DC upon PQ equal to AC divided by BQ. Now from this first and second, AC upon BQ is equal to this one, AC upon BQ is equal to this one. It means these two values must be equal, because if right hand side of this equation is same, so left hand side will be same. So AD divided by BP is equal to AC divided by BQ is equal to DC divided by PQ. And when we obtain this condition that the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal, then we can say that angle A is equal to angle B. We obtain this condition with the help of similar triangle. Okay, so in this question, what condition we have to apply? First, find out the value of cos A. Cos A is base divided by hypotenuse, base divided by hypotenuse. Base and hypotenuse relation we have, so we want to find out the relation between perpendicular, hypotenuse and base with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Perpendicular is equal to hypotenuse by base square, so we obtain this condition. And from the second triangle, again perpendicular is equal to this one. Now find out the ratio DC divided by PQ. DC divided by PQ. After solution, we obtain this term AC upon BQ. First equation is this one. second equation we obtain from this relation. So from these two equations, what relation we obtain? That the ratio of these three sides, ratio of the corresponding sides of these triangles are equal. So that's why we can say that these two triangles are similar, and we obtain angle A is equal to angle B.